In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse a video using CapCut on your computer, step by step. This is a great technique for adding a creative twist to your video projects or uncovering interesting effects. So let's get started with this exciting process. First, you'll need to open CapCut on your computer. If you haven't already, make sure it's installed and ready to go. Once CapCut is open, you'll want to create a new project. Setting up a fresh project gives you a clean slate to work from and helps keep everything organized as we move through this tutorial. Just click on the New Project button, and you should see your workspace open up. Now it's time to import the video you want to work with. Locate the video file on your computer and import it into CapCut. After importing, you'll need to drag your video onto the timeline. The timeline is where all the magic happens, and you'll spend most of your editing time here. Dragging your video clip onto the timeline lets you see exactly where you are and makes it easier to apply any changes or effects. With your video clip in place, the next step is to select it. Simply click on the video clip within the timeline. This tells CapCut that this is the clip you want to apply changes to. Clicking on the clip also opens up various editing options in the toolbar, which is just above your timeline in CapCut's interface. Now that your video is selected, let's navigate to the top toolbar of your CapCut interface. You'll want to find the Reverse button. This option is specially designed for achieving the reverse effect, and all it takes is a single click. Clicking on this button initiates the process where CapCut begins reversing your video clip. Once you click the Reverse button, CapCut will begin processing the video. This might take a moment, depending on the length and complexity of your video. During this time, patience is key. So just sit back and wait for the loading bar to complete. Your computer's performance could affect how long this takes, but it's usually pretty swift. After CapCut finishes processing, your video will now play in reverse on the timeline. That's it. You've successfully reversed a video in CapCut. You can play the video back to see the effect in action, and you might want to test different sections to ensure the reverse effect has been applied throughout. Feel free to explore other effects and editing tools CapCut offers once you're comfortable with reversing videos. Don't forget to save your project before closing the program to ensure you don't lose any of your hard work. Thanks for following along, and happy editing.